In today's video, I'll show you how to install the Dart SDK on your Windows system. To start, the first thing you'll need to do is head to the official Dart SDK archive page. Open your browser and search for Dart SDK archive. Once you're on the Dart SDK archive page, you'll find a download button specifically for Windows. Click on that to download the Dart SDK package. The download will be in the form of a zip file. Once it's downloaded, go to your Downloads folder, and you'll see the zip file there. Right-click on the file and choose Cut. Now, navigate to the location where you want to extract the files. Right-click in the folder and choose Paste to move the downloaded zip file there. Next, right-click on the zip file and choose Extract All. Select the location where you want to extract the files and click Extract. After extracting the contents, you'll see a folder named Dart SDK. Now, to make Dart available from anywhere on your system, you'll need to add it to your system's path. To do this, open the Dart SDK folder, then open the bin folder. Once you're inside the bin folder, click the address bar at the top and copy the path. Now, to add Dart to your system's path, click on the Start menu and type in Environment Variables. Select Edit the System Environment Variables. This will open a window where you can adjust your system's environment settings. Click on Environment Variables. Under the System Variables section, scroll down and find the Path variable. Click on it, then click Edit. In the next window, click on New and paste the path to the bin folder you copied earlier. Once you've added it, click OK to close all the windows. Now, open a command prompt window. To do this, simply press the Start button and type CMD in the search bar. Click to open command prompt. In the command prompt, type Dart -- version and hit Enter. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the version of Dart you've installed. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye-bye.